Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nabila from PBIA and with ID number 2402110009. Okay, in this video I will to do my video assignment in interpretive reading, review text, and with title Speaking Challenges Among English Club Member at one Islamic boarding school in Sumatra. The author Leni Marzulina, Muhammad Ohlandia, Dian Erlina Harizal, Hikmah Zaliba Putri, and Lia Hidayati, Universitas Islam Raden Patah, Palembang, Indonesia. The main purpose of the study was to investigate the speaking challenges faced by students participating in an English club at Darul Abrar Islamic boarding school in Banyuasin, Sumatra. The researchers sought to identify specific linguistic and psychological barriers that hinder student ability to communicate effectively in English, aiming to improve better pedagogical strategy for supporting English learning in extracurricular context. Design of the study. The researchers employ a qualitative case study design as Creswell 2013 explained a case study design allow for an in-depth understanding of a particular issue with its real-life context. In the study, the case was the English Club and Darul Abrar Islamic boarding school. The qualitative approach was suitable because it explored student experience, feeling, and challenges in depth, rather than relying on numerical data. The design involved several stages. The first preliminary observation, and the second participant selection, and the first participant selection using purposive sampling. They select students with varying lengths of participation in the club. And the third, data collection, observation, and semi-structured interview were conducted to collect right descriptive data. And the last is data analysis. Thematic analysis was applied to categorize recurring patterns and themes related to speaking challenge. And location and participant. The study was conducted at Darul Abrar Islamic boarding school in Banyuasin, Sumatra, Indonesia. Participant selection process from a total of 20 English club members. 6 students were chosen through purposeful sampling with maximum duration. The criteria were based on the duration of their participation in the club, more than 1 year, and less than 1 year. This ensures diversity in experience level among participants. Data collection procedure. Data were gathered through two primary methods. The first observation conducted over 4 consecutive days during English club session, and research used an observation checklist to record student and speaking behavior, difficulties, and interaction patterns. And the second semi-structured interview conducted with the selection participant, and after the observation period, each interview contained 18 open and ended questions designed to elicit student reflection and their challenge in speaking English. And last, the semi-structure promote low flexibility, enabling participants to elaborate on their experience while allowing new insight to emerge naturally. Data analysis. The study utilized Thematic analysis following Creswell 2012 six-step procedure. The first, data organization, and the second, initial reading, the third, coding, and for them development, fifth, interpreting them, and last is sixth, presentation. This systematic process allows the research to derive for measure them and present the core speaking challenge faced by the student. And major findings. The study identified four major challenges faced by English club members. The first, lack of vocabulary. Students struggle to express ideas due to limited lexical knowledge, and often pairs mid-sentence mix English with Indonesia or another language, and or avoided speaking altogether. And the second, use of mother tongue. Frequent reliance on their native language, Indonesian or Javanese, occur due to habit and comfort, limiting exposure to English speaking practice. And the third, lack of self or confidence. Many students feel anxious, embarrassed, or fearful of making mistakes when speaking in public or before teacher. And the fourth, lack of motivation. Low enthusiasm toward English learning led to disinterest and poor participation in the club's speaking activity. This finding collectively emphasize that linguistic limitation or vocabulary and psychological barriers or confidence and motivation are interrelated factors that hinder speaking development in EVL context. Connection with relevant study. The findings of the research are consistent with early studies in EVL education. The first have Al-Hosni 2014 found that students often avoid speaking English due to fear of making mistakes and limited vocabulary aligning with the vocabulary and confidence issue in the study. And the second have Juhana 2012 also identified psychological barriers such as shyness and anxiety as key inhibitor to speaking performance, mirroring the lack of the confidence observed among the participants. And the third have Malfiza, Bahri, and Erdiana 2017 conclude the English club can enhance motivation and fluency when managed effectively, suggesting that improving club dynamic could mitigate the motivational challenge identified in the study. The last, additionally, Hollandia et al. 2022 conducted a similar case study on speaking challenge in Islamic boarding school, confirming that limited vocabulary and psychological factors remain persistent barriers in such educational setting. And last, the conclusion. The study provides valuable insight into the speaking challenge faced by EVL learners in Islamic boarding school setting. The combination of linguistic and affective factors, limited vocabulary, frequent as of the mother tongue, low self-confidence, and lack of motivation, collectively impeded student progress in English speaking. The research highlight the importance of creating supported, engaging, and linguistically rich environment and extracurricular English learning context, such as English club, to foster student confidence and communicative competence. I think enough review from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.